Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star resort. In this resort, no type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. To see more than 100 of reviews of this resort, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 8.4. Check-in time in this resort is 12 p.m. and check-out time of this resort is 12 p.m. If you have stayed in this resort, you can send your experiences via comment. On booking or get more details about this resort, please follow the description link. If you have any problem booking a room in this resort, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then you subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming resort. Thank you for watching.